has been my pleasure to build, and I will present to you, from the classic 1928 Disney cartoon, Steamboat Willie. For those of you who are not aware, Steamboat Willie is an iconic cartoon that was released back when cartoons were still black and white. Minnie and Mickey looked like this, and up until the release of this animated short, matching the audio track with the video hadn't been done before. Having the sound effects match the action on the screen was very new, but the technique was still very limited. As such, Mickey hadn't received his iconic voice. Instead, he was only able to make simple sounds like this, and this. Now on to the kit. Even though I knew exactly what I was getting in the box, I'm finding this one to be even more satisfying and pleasing than I would have expected. Not only is there a sense of nostalgia in seeing the physical manifestation of this cartoon that I first saw so very long ago, but it also looks great. For those who are familiar with the subject and want to take a closer look, they're sure to be pleased to see so many of the elements of the cartoon integrated into this model. As a showpiece, this one definitely gets top marks. Even though I don't feel this one was designed as a playset, I'm still going to give it high marks in this category. The roof of the cabin is an easy place to grab as you roll it around on the wheels that are well hidden in the base, and seeing the water wheel and twin smokestacks pop as you do so is a lot of fun. Not to mention a crane mounted at the stern of the ship, which both lowers and raises cargo, as well as swivels round. The reason I don't feel this set was made with play in mind is that the crane is made of small fiddly parts, and the cabin is a little bit fragile, so you need to be careful as you grab them. That being said, I still love this kit. While I wish I had more to say, I think that about covers it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next week for the review of another kit. Until then, have a good one.